In this video I'm going to explain how you find the modal class. Modal is derived from the word mode, and the word mode is linked to the word most, so it's the most frequently occurring item or number. Class are these here. These are the classes. So the modal class, you could say, is colloquially the biggest group. So if I reframed modal class, I could call it the biggest group. So if I looked at this table here, this is telling me about the amount of time that students took to solve a crossword puzzle. It's telling me that 2 students took between 5 and 10 minutes to solve a crossword puzzle, 14 students took between 10 and 15 minutes to solve the crossword puzzle, and so on. So you can see that the biggest group is the 10 to 15. So the modal class, the answer you would write down would be as follows. The most common mistake people would make is they could look at this and say the biggest number is 14, so therefore they'd say the modal class was 14. That's wrong. That's not the class, that's the frequency. Another mistake people could make is if I was, for example, to change one of these numbers, if that was a 6 instead of a 1, they would look down this number and say the modal class must be 6 because the 6 is occurring the most often. But once again, this is the frequencies. So to summarise, the modal class is the biggest group.